What's going on, guys? I'm Solomon. Today's video is going to be like pretty much trying to get the rear end in on this thing, try to get all the measurements up, ready to go, get the angle we want and everything. We need to go get it welded. We need to get the brackets on there. I need to catch you guys up on the fucking build though. Coming here. It's not much truck here. I know there's not much truck here. It's all out there and shit, all fucking. But it'll be a truck eventually. Well, I mean, you can't see, but it is a Ford F-100. I think it's 1968. Right here, this good old bad boy with no fucking supercharger on it is a Mach 1. But eventually we will get the supercharger on there. Here when we have fucking funds. What else is there? We have, oh yeah, the front end is off a Crown Vic. Gotta get that up on there. Let's go see the truck. There's more truck out here. There's another hood right there. There's the hood. Don't worry. And then there's the cab right there. So there's the truck. What else we got out here? Oh yeah, we also have a lift that we need to put up though. That's under this shit. But I don't think we're gonna put the lift up in this shop. We're gonna be moving. We're gonna get a different shop here soon. So I think we're just gonna build this truck without the lift. And then once we move to a different shop, we will have that lift up. We'll have all kinds of other things. So we can actually fucking have this shop fucking is a piece of shit. It's small. It's too small. That's pretty much it. I mean, we're just gonna get the rear end all set up, try to get the angle we want. We do have a welder, but we don't have 240 right now, so we can't use it. So I'm gonna take it down to a shop down the street and go get that welded. So yeah, right now we're just working on measurements right now. Alright, so now we're gonna get some fucking measurements for the tubing, so we can set the rake on there. Oh, I haven't even showed the rear end, you know? Check out the rear end. Check it out. It's from PEM Racing. It's custom made. Look at those fucking dimes, dog. Those are some dimes right there. Yeah, they made one for us. I think it's a 52 inches long. It's 2 point. See what this old man's doing in here, bro. This is why we have you. This is for you, so you can do our measurements for us. So I ain't doing that. You do the measurements and then just tell me what to do, and we'll do it.
So this is gonna have to come. This is gonna have to get dropped.
Let's take a look at the measurements.
'Cause I'm at 19 and a quarter. I'm at 19 and a quarter, and that should be 15. So we're 4 inches, but they have a. They're doing a drop on it.
Yep, makes sense.
So.
I hope this is mine.
That's mine.
Fuck.
Like 19. So this is gonna get
You better
dropped.
run in here,
So
bud. You
this
was
is what I
smoking some shit in here.
thought. So.
Hey.
19 and a quarter. So what we can do, since there's no other way, I mean, they have a spindle drop on this, so I guess they have a spindle that is flatter to some extent, I guess.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
However, what I want to do,
Okay. Yeah. What he wants to do?
well, we're going to have to get a shorter spring on here to lower the front at least 2 inches. So we'd be.
Coilovers.
We could do coilovers. Do coilovers.
Don't do it for the spring, then you'll blow out your struts all the time.
Well, the thing is, those are, yeah, they're not that stiff.
We can just go haggard as fucking just cut them, huh?
You could just cut them.
No, I was kidding. It was a joke. We're not cutting those.
About a 4-inch wall, so about half of the air needs to come out.
So I guess we're just gonna lower this 2 inches so we can get our measurements. Just feel like this? It's gonna be a bitch to do oil filter change on. Look at that shit. It's gonna suck ass.
Here.
I think we might keep these rims. Fuck that, you crazy, I don't know.
You don't need to be cussing on all your, you'll have to bleep out every,
What the hell? I ain't bleeping out shit, bro.
that's all your deal's gonna be is bleep, 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 bleep.
Oh, hell fucking no, bro.
Well, I've only went down about a
We're
half
gonna
an
sell
inch.
some merch that's gonna say, fuck that, on the shirt. Did you wear that, Dan?
No.
Why not?
You just went basically wiped out pretty much half of your people already. I don't see a lot of money coming your direction. So that's okay.
You know what? When I get some money, I'm not gonna give you any of it. How about that? How does that sound? And then you're gonna be saying fuck
Oh, you
that,
know,
huh?
I just hope you have money.
And then you're gonna be saying fuck that for sure.
I just
huh?
really hope you have money.
Unorthodox.
As always, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys got any questions, leave in the comments. We do post a lot more videos. We're gonna do this truck. After this truck, we'll probably have another build. I'm thinking about doing a Drift 240 build. We'll see. Maybe like a 1JZ or something like that. But yeah, we'll see when it comes. Time comes. But right now, we're doing on this, and just keep watching the videos. Keep liking, subscribing, leaving comments. Let me know. Thanks, guys.